The Runaway Pumpkin, a Halloween adventure story written by Anne Margaret Lewis and illustrated by Aaron Zins. There once was a little pumpkin who wanted to run away on a Halloween adventure. "I want to explore Halloween. I am a little Halloween pumpkin," he told his mother. He thought his mother would miss him. His mother said, "Before you run away on an adventure, you must be prepared. After all, you are my little pumpkin." "Where will you go?" she asked. "I am going to ride on a witch's broom and fly over Halloween Town," the little pumpkin said. "Then I will pack your parachute in case you fall off," his mother replied. "You must take care, for you are my little pumpkin." "Next, I will go to the spookiest haunted house with my ghost friends," the little pumpkin said. "Then I will pack your blankie so you will not be scared," his mother replied. "You must feel safe, for you are my little pumpkin." "After that, I will dance the monster mash at the greatest Halloween party ever," the little pumpkin said. "Then I will pack your favorite monster shoes so you can boogie woogie all night," his mother replied. "You must have fun, for you are my little pumpkin." "Later I will join my friends in the mummy wrap contest," the little pumpkin said. "Then I will send rolls and rolls of tissue," his mother replied. "You must wrap and wrap and wrap, for you are my little pumpkin." "When I am done, my pumpkin friends and I will enter the pumpkin contest," the little pumpkin said. "Then I will give you the best face ever," his mother replied. "You must win for being the most handsome pumpkin of all, for you are my little pumpkin." "Once the contest is over, I will trick or treat through all the towns," the little pumpkin said. "Then I will make you a pirate costume," his mother replied. "You must act like the best pirate ever, for you are my little pumpkin." "Finally, I will go on a hayride and visit all the other pumpkin patches," the little pumpkin said. "Then I will bake you some Halloween treats," his mother replied. "You must share good treats with your pumpkin friends, for you are my little pumpkin." The little pumpkin said. He stopped and he thought. Then he said, "If you think exploring Halloween will be so great, then you may as well come with me." "Then we will explore Halloween together," his mother replied. "After all, you are my little pumpkin." The end.